cupboard door here. We've been waiting for it, and it leads to this is the size of the pantry, and then we can like wash her off like this. And we left the house super early, didn't we?
Yeah. At 1 a.m.
I should probably tell you what happened to Jackson's nose, shouldn't I? Good morning guys, and welcome back to my channel and to another vlog. Today is one of the first days of summer holiday and I'm taking the boys.
We're going to the Colchester Zoo, we're doing the colour challenge.
That's right, so we're going to the zoo. Jackson is super excited to see all the animals, and there's also like parks and things to play on and stuff as well.
And we're doing the colour challenge.
Yeah, and do you want to tell them what that is?
So the colour challenge is where we pick a colour and you have to eat that food, that colour food. Buy it. Wear it, that colour, and buy that stuff as a colour. I'm red, Mum's purple. I'm blue. Jackson's blue and Fraser's green.
Yeah.
My dad's yellow, but he's not here. And Kiki's orange.
Yeah, Daddy's not here. Yeah, Kiki's orange. She's got ginger ears. Well, I got purple, but I have no purple clothes. But I'm wearing all pink. You're wearing all red. At least we're not going to lose you guys. All blue, all green. And yeah, you're supposed to. I mean, I think the boys have seen this on a YouTube channel and they wanted to do it as well. But you're supposed to also eat that coloured food. But this morning,
eating blueberries for breakfast.
Yeah, Jackson was eating blueberries, but I don't think he really loves them anymore, and he was eating them like I can't think of any purple food really. But anyway,
onion and grapes.
Oh yeah, that was it. I said, what can I eat if my colour's purple? You can eat red onion and grapes for breakfast. Yeah.
Onions could be for dinner.
For dinner? Yeah, I could eat that for dinner. Just an onion.
Yeah.
Should that be nice?
No, we can just make onion
some
pie.
Jelly, some purple jelly.
Onion pie. Yeah, we make
onion pie.
Really good.
Yeah, but anyway, I thought I would just vlog our day out, show you what we get up to. I have vlogs like this, going to this zoo, when the boys were literally like newborn or toddlers. They do really love it here, and it's like a full day out. We're going to be here for a long time, but we thought it would be perfect because it's quite overcast today, so it's not going to be too hot. I think it's going to be like 24 degrees. So yeah, we'll just take you with us, show what we do. Got all the boys today. We basically got a week before we go on holiday, so we thought we would do like a few days out, see a few friends, stuff like that. But yeah, let's go. It's so funny.
I'm wearing red.
Here we go.
It says Colchester Zoo.
It does. Look, there's a giraffe already. There.
No, that's a fake one.
Is it a fake one?
Definitely real.
Look, it's so quiet. We left the house super early, didn't we?
Yeah. At 1 a.m. At 3 a.m.
It's 9:30 now. Yeah.
They're actually helping because look, we are hunted for our fur, and our home is being destroyed due to logging.
So we're gonna see how far the boys can leap like a lemur. Oh my goodness, that is 180 centimeters. Very good. Jackson's gonna do a run up.
I'll never run up then.
Oh, that was like 120. Oh, wow. Caleb, you wanna go? Let's see. Oh, that was good. 180, I think, as well.
Jackson said he jumped 1,000 centimeters.
Jax, what animals have you seen so far?
None.
None.
I haven't seen.
Right, so we've just stopped for a snack. He's dropped his brioche. We're just looking at the lemurs, aren't we? Yeah, and I brought, obviously it's like 10:30, so the boys are hungry. Well, Jackson wanted lunch. I was like, we'll do a snack. But yeah, we'll show you what we're looking at. They're so cute, aren't they?
Crispies.
And I should probably tell you what happened to Jackson's nose, shouldn't I? What happened to your nose? He fell over on the patio, hit it on the wood.
wood.
On the wood part of the patio, and it's just got worse and worse as the days have gone. It's got like darker and darker.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights.
We've made some friends. I thought that, but I didn't smell it.
Did you see that? I was about to throw it to him and then just took it out of my hand.
I really wanna know if I.
Hey, that's the mummy and that's Daddy. Mummy and Dad. Look how much geese and ducks there are.
My eyes. You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah.
It looks great! It looks like banana! Ostrich down there. Oh, down there. Oh, you can't even put the leg in.
No way. Boys are trying to lift up animals. If it don't hurt your back, you can do it, but that's big. Oh. We're on our way out, so we're in the gift shop. I said they can each choose something. Jackson wants this little sketchbook, don't you?
Yeah, no one makes it.
Want to see some badges? Okay, so we're all done at the zoo. We're all pretty exhausted. We walked so much and we've been there for about 5 hours now. So anyway, we're gonna go home, make our way back, but we had a great time. I didn't really talk much to camera, but we saw so many animals. What was your favorite animals, boys?
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Oh yeah, that was it. You would have seen this man had like a leafy branch, and then the giraffe came really like up close to us. So we learnt the strongest animal in terms of size, of its own size, is the dung beetle.
It can lift 1,000 and
We went on this thing, so you get your own animal and you colour your dinosaur in, and then you get to put them on a sheet board, and then your animal comes to life on the computer.
Yeah, that was so cool. We spent loads of time doing that. They'd like do a colouring and then scan it.
We made sand hill.
Oh, yeah, there was sand, and if it was not much sand, then it was water. But then if you stacked it up, then it turned into land.
Yeah.
And the more you stack it up, it turns into grass.
Yeah. And then like if you dig down, it turned into water, didn't it? Really, really clever. So yeah, there was loads to do. We had a picnic, got attacked by ducks. So yeah, a really, really good day, all in all. And then we just chose a few bits from the gift shop. They got a sketchbook each and like another little thing each as well. So anyway, we're gonna go home. Today, the kitchen guys were coming back one more time to apparently completely finish the kitchen. So maybe if it's looking done, I shall give you a little tour of what it looks like. Got a snake.
Did you tell them you take a snake? You didn't tell them? We might have the zoo police coming up. Jackson Norris.
You've got.
Mom!
You love that smell? You love the smell of coffee. We're home to Kiki.
Back to the
She's
bird wars.
eating all the snacks.
Emily's moaning about the grass. I've actually let it go yellow to blend in with the golden fields behind.
Yeah.
And the only green bits are from the slip and slide.
Yeah, they actually cut all of the, what was it they were growing? Barley, we think.
Yeah.
It was like really good golden fields. And oh my gosh, the dust everywhere. And Matt's hay fever was crazy, wasn't it?
You would be well annoyed.
You were struggling, weren't
If
you?
you just clean your windows.
Yeah.
Luckily there's nowhere of that here.
Okay, so we've been back from the zoo for a while, but I feel like I've just been like chilling out. We walked so much and it was just like a really busy day, so I've been a bit like zoned out. But the kids have now been bathed. They're watching Soul upstairs. So I thought I would show you a few bits that got finished in our kitchen today. They came back to put in a few cupboards that hadn't been in yet, like this one here. It's a really, really tall one. And they put all the shelves in. We actually don't know where everything's gonna go yet, but I will do a whole storage video. But we're thinking glasses might be good to go in this because it's next to the sink. So yeah, there's so much storage in here, and after having like our office as a kitchen for about, well, since November, we just don't even know what to do with it. So it's very exciting. Also, I might show you this. When they did our worktop, they also made us 2 like cutting boards out of the same quartz. I guess they make it from like offcuts. So I ordered these little felt like dot stickers on Amazon and put them on the bottom, and I'm using one underneath Kiki's food, so it looks all nice, and then I'm using one for like anything hot, or you can use it as a cutting board as well. So I thought that was really nice. Like if you do have a new kitchen put in and they don't just do that, you could like maybe say, if you've got any extra bits, can I have it? But the best bit is that we now have bins. So we've got some here and another one over there, but I'm just kidding. It's actually this cupboard door here. We've been waiting for it, and it leads to our hidden pantry. So you can literally just push it and come into the pantry. But we're gonna hide so much of like the dry ingredients, storage, any appliances we're not using, like slow cooker, air fryer, like all of it is just gonna go in there. So it's like even more storage. So they couldn't actually measure up for the pantry until all the kitchen was in. So now that it is in, they've measured up and they're gonna go off and make it and hopefully put it in while we're on holiday. But if I show you what the space looks like now, this is the size of the pantry. It's still a really good size. The fridge actually comes into this room, but on this wall, we're still gonna have like cupboards, a workspace and loads of storage. And then on this side, we're gonna have another like countertop, more storage, just loads and loads of shelves for all the dry ingredients, flour, cereal, everything. So I think it's just going to be such an amazing space. And then we also decided to put a door in this room. A few people warned us against that because they were like, oh, you could get even more on this wall if we didn't have a door. But we thought it'd be great for letting light in, and practically it would be just an easy way to take the bins out, because obviously all the rubbish is going to be in the kitchen, and rather than take it through the whole house, you can just take it out here, take it to the bins. So that was quite cool. And then another cool thing, we thought that we would probably use this door like for the dogs, so we'll have a space for all her leashes and things for like walks, treats and stuff like that. But then also when they were doing all the plumbing, we had this little like shower thing put in, so when she's really muddy in the winter, we're actually gonna have a butler sink put here, so we can put her in it and then we can like wash her off like this, and it's actually like warm as well, so we can rinse her off, take her in. We'll have towels in there as well, and we just think like practically it's gonna really work. So yeah, very pleased with that, and I will obviously show that on my Instagram account as soon as like the butler sink is in and everything. But yeah, that is the pantry. And this is the little bar area. They've put the doors on here. We're just waiting for like, it's almost like a cage, like a mesh wire that we're having on the doors, so you'll be able to see through them, but that is on its way. And also on this wall, you may remember in our old kitchen, we used to have like a mirror splashback. So for the bar area, we were gonna get like an antique mirror, like kind of there, so it makes it look a bit fancy, a bit glitzy. We've got lights on it as well, but they're not on at the moment because it was hard to see me with them on. Then there's a little wine cooler down here. We got this from AEG and we just went for like quite a small one. We're not like massive drinkers, but we thought when we do entertain, it'd be really nice to have that. We've got some beers in there at the moment and some oat milk as well, but we will get some wine for it. And then there's more storage in here, so maybe we'll get some fancy glasses, stuff like that. There's some shelves there as well. Yeah, but we can't wait to like entertain, have some friends over. We're actually having a party in about a month, aren't we? Like a small like family thing. So hopefully it will be all ready for then. So it's a few days later now and I was editing this video and I did my usual, forgot to do an outro, so I thought I would come back on, but I look different now because I've actually had a spray tan. We're going away on holiday today with the kids. We're going on a cruise around Europe, so we're really excited. We can't wait. Of course I will vlog a little bit of it as well, but I hope you're having a lovely summer so far. So far we've had a week and the kids have done like football camp. They saw Nanny one day when I had to work, and obviously you saw that we went to the zoo and stuff like that. So far so good, but this will just be nice to like kind of break up the summer. So I'll definitely vlog it, show you guys a cruise video at some point, but I'm really looking forward to spending time with the kids. I saw a quote the other day, it was like, oh, you only get 18 summers with your kids, and then I started thinking, oh my god, Fraser's 11 and realistically he probably won't want to spend all his time with us once he's like 15, 16. So I'm just really gonna soak it up, enjoy it with the kids, and because they're getting older, holidays and stuff are getting so much easier. So if you're in that like really difficult stage, it will actually whiz by and then you'll be able to sit by the pool and just watch them and everything. Anyway, I'm just rambling now, so I'm gonna go, but thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. When I was editing it, I felt like it was like one of my old style videos, like just really like raw and chill with the kids. So I hope you liked it, and when we get back we should have a pantry, we should have an ensuite bathroom, we should have like quite a few things done. So obviously I'll update you on all of that, but anyway, I'll see you soon. Bye guys.